In this video, you will learn best travel town tips and tricks. First, focus on upgrading your buildings. In the travel town, upgrading your buildings is essential for unlocking new areas, improving your town, and increasing your earnings. Always prioritise your most profitable buildings first. This could be your restaurants, hotels, shops, to maximise income. Then, balance resource management. Manage resources like wood, stone and coins is crucial to progress in the game. Make sure you're always gathering resources to avoid run out when you need to upgrade or expand your town. Complete daily quests and achievements. Daily quests and achievements are often a great reward for coins, resources and other valuable items. Make sure to complete them to progress more efficiently and unlock extra rewards. Keep expanding your town. Expanding your town is key to unlocking new buildings and progressing in the game. Always work on clearing obstacles, expanding your space as soon as you can afford it. Engage with special events. Travel Town offers and hosts special events that can provide unique rewards, new buildings and opportunities to earn extra resources. Participate actively in these events to maximise benefits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.